way. But I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all.
What's the topic with you today? Now you already know by the title what we doing today. But right now, I'm just gonna eat my food. Thank you. But yeah. So I will be cleaning my whole room, and this will be like a in this video, it would be like a cleaning routine that I do every 2 weeks. But I clean throughout the week anyway, but I still have a cleaning routine that I do. It might not be the same thing, but it's basically the same thing to me. But I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to turn on that notification button because I will be posting almost every week. So, yeah. And go ahead and check out the description down below because I do put my social medias there as well. And that's just on period. And also all the videos that I posted, I put in the description. So that too. So, yeah. So let's just get right into this video, but I'm gonna finish eating, period, because I'm hungry. Guys, I'm trying to fit on the jacket. It's cold. I turned the air conditioning off, but it's just cold today because it's so windy outside. Maybe I should put this on because my hair is out of control. But yeah. Okay, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is speed up this video while I'm making my bed, and then come back and tell you guys what else I'm doing. So just stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And go ahead and check out the description button because my social media is on there. But that's just on period. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, this is the bed. I'm finished making it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna start sweeping. So you're gonna see me doing that. Just stay tuned, period. And I'm gonna come back when I do something else. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm gonna clean out the closet and just take the stuff out and sweep it and then put the stuff back in there, but organized. So you just stay right tuned because now I'm hot. Okay, so all I did so far is make the bed up and sweep the outside of the closet, but now for the start in the inside of the closet, take the stuff out and then sweep and then put it back in organized. So just stay tuned to that, period, because my closet got the most stuff. So just bear with me, period. Okay, you guys, I just cleaned out the bottom of the closet. It is getting hot. I thought I was getting cold, but it's probably just because. So I'm gonna show you guys the closet. I actually sweeped it out and everything is organized. Just a little one fanny pack. Okay, so that's the closet. And then now for to do the top part actually. See, that's why I said I got a lot of stuff on the top part. We're just gonna wait for that. So I'm for to actually clean out this part, clean up on this part, and then come back, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And just stay tuned, period, for the finishing look. Okay, you guys, I'm done organizing the shelf, so I'm gonna show you guys that. But I also put my basket in here in a closet, and I forgot to show you guys that. So I'm gonna show y'all the closet with the basket in there, and then I just got to do the top later. But yeah, I just had to show you guys that. And this is the shelf is less stuff on there because some of that stuff was empty. I didn't even notice. But yeah, so that's that. Now for actually clean out the top of the closet. It's a lot, but okay, let's just get right into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm done cleaning out the top of the closet. I'm not putting nothing back in here. I'm actually putting that stuff in the dresser. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the lamp and my washing powder and stuff up here, and my iron, my spray starch, air fresheners, and roach spray and stuff. So I'm not really putting stuff up there, but yeah, so the closet is actually cleaned out now. So the stuff I took out the closet, I'm actually putting in dresses, but I'm cleaning out the dresses as well. So as I go along, I'll do that. But just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Go check out the description button as well. And that's just on period. Is my lip bleeding? Oh. But yeah, I'm going to show you the parts that I finished and then start cleaning out the dresses. So just stay tuned. I got the bed done. I swept all this side and I cleaned out the closet. I organized this, and now I got this stuff to put in the dresses and organize that stuff. Okay, I put most of the stuff in the dressers. Now I gotta go through this stuff right here on the top of the dresser. Hey girl. So yeah, now I'm gonna put this garbage can down because I forgot. So yeah, after that, I should be done. I'm gonna clean the mirrors and organize this stuff right here. So just stay tuned. You'll see that, period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Look at this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to see more videos that I post, period. And just stay tuned because I'm going to finish this and hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment down below what else should I do. Okay, now I'm done cleaning off the top of the dressers. Inside the dressers, I cleaned the shelf off. I made my bed. I swept I cleaned out the closet, period. And now I'm going to clean the area where the refrigerator and the microwave at. And then clean the tall mirror as well, because I only clean one of them. And just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that's just on period. Hope you guys enjoying. And let me get right back into cleaning. Okay, you guys, I'm done doing a cleaning routine for my room, so yeah. And now I'm just insert a clip of everything that's clean and everything, the whole room. And I'm so happy you guys made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Go ahead and check out the description button like I said before. So I'm going to just show you my clean room. And that's just on period. Let's get a little thumbnail in.